Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's take out my two-strand twist, rope twist, whatever you identify them as. It was extremely hard to do this with these nails, so that's why I use scissors. Normally I wouldn't use scissors, but like I said, the nails were like impossible. So if you use scissors, just be careful, okay?
Well, I tried to tell you so, yes I did, but I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes, baby, now I got the flow, cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again, and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried, yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried, yes, I cried. Running thanks to keep my smile, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, you know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. But you did, but you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I never did.
Do you see this? Freelance. Can't tell me nothing, okay? Your girl got length. Y'all remember when my locks was like right here, okay? Your girl got length for days. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Okay. I'm officially outside. I'm finna go outside. Somebody gotta see this. I'm finna go outside. We back outside.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.